Do you know how does a syringe work? A syringe mainly consists of 3 parts: plunger, barrel, and needle. A syringe is a simple, reciprocating pump, consisting of a plunger, that fits tightly, within a cylindrical tube, called a barrel. The plunger can be linearly pulled, and pushed, along the inside of the tube, allowing the syringe, to take in, and expel, liquid or gas, through a discharge, at the front end, of the tube. The open end of the syringe, may be fitted, with a hypodermic needle, a nozzle, or tubing, to direct the flow into, and out of the barrel. When the plunger, of a syringe, is pulled out, the volume, inside the barrel increases, resulting in a decrease in the pressure, inside the barrel. Fluids such as water flow from a high pressure area to a low pressure area. This means that once the pressure inside a syringe is lower than the pressure outside the syringe, a fluid near the needle will flow into the syringe. When the plunger is pushed back in, the volume decreases, and the pressure increases. Once the pressure is greater than that outside the syringe, the fluid inside the barrel will flow out.